Hello everyone. Today I will introduce for you about how to create a system to uh, transferring and transferring and processing the message from the back end side to the front end side. The first you need to create a project. This project is a message. In the project message, you need to create a new class. New class. In this system, you need to use the queue to store all messages in the back end side to transferring it to transfer it, and you need to use stack to store all messages has transferred to the process it in the front side. So you need to create the class to create a stack and queue to this system. To implement the queue, I use the linked list, and implement the stack. I use the array. So to use linked list to implement uh, queue, I must create two class. The first class is class node, and the second class is class queue. The third class is stack class stack. Now you have the three class on this the project. Now you will do with the node class. In the nodes you have two objects. The first object is the data, and the second object is next. The data is a string because you need to store the message. So type of data is string. String data. String data and node. Node. Next. And then you need to initialize the node, the object node, public nodes string x. String this data bằng x. and this next equal noon, because the new node have the data equal next, but it doesn't link with the other node, so this dot next equal none. So, then you need to create the queue. In the queue, true object. Is the true fields is not. This is a private stated private node. Head belong to node. Head private says node, because a queue need to head and tail. Queue need true object, true field, head and tail, and uh, head and tail is or are also a node. Then you need to create a queue. Public initialize the queue. Public voice queue. Yeah, I have Smith type. Queue use for for a new queue, you have the head equal tail equal none, because you have no node on the queue on the linked list. Yeah. Yeah, I must to make it the easiest to see. The second, then you need to create some method about the class queue. The first is the method is empty to check the queue is empty, on if the queue is empty or not. Public volant is empty. The methods to check, so it has the data type has the return the value in the boolean type is empty. Um, y- you must return if the head equal none. The linked list is uh, empty when the head equal none, because you have don't you have no node to the head. The second method is enqueue. This method to um, to the add add one node to the linked list, and this method don't return the value void, public void, and queue. But this method needs to local variable string x. First, you need to create a node a node n belong to the class node. New node. Uh, in the enqueue, you have choose case. You have two case. The first string. Uh, yes, I must do. The first if not if Q is empty. Q is empty. Head equal tail equal n. Then return that. In the normal case, in the normal case, uh, in the normal case, uh, the node n will add in the last uh, in the last of linked list shows tail dot next equal n. Then n then n become the tail. Tails dot next in this point tail dot next equal n. So this after you add the new node on the linked list, this node is become to the last will become to the tail of linked list. So you must assign tail equal tail dot next. The third method I need to use this operation I need to use is enqueue. This the method to use to the remove a node the remove the node from the link from the link list. This and this will be return the data of the node public like string deq return. Oh no, you don't need it. In the DQ, you have three cases. The first case is you DQ use DQ with an empty queue. The first K1 K1 empty. Case 1 là DQ with an empty queue. Because it is a queue, so you need to dequeue the first node of linked list. If is empty, you need to throw the exception. Throw new exceptions. Cannot delete from an empty queue. And you need to throw exception. Yeah. And the case true. Case true is you will DQ with the queue have having only one node. In this case, you must arrival x string equal head dot data. Then you if head equal tail head equal tail none. Then return x scatter case 3 is a normal case. Use you decrease the head of link. In the is a normal case and the DQ in the case true DQ with the Q have only one note. You must do the assign the x equal head dot data. So you need to do it. Head equal head dot next. Then return it. This is all operation I need to use into the class queue into the queue. Then I will do the stack. In the stack, I must use the array to implement it. So I need to so I create some field stack in the private string array. Array private top private max. This variable top into the into the store the top of the stack, and the max is to store the length of the array. Then the first I need to initialize the stack public stack max. This dot max equal max switch and R equal new string max. This is the array ARR with the maximum of the element is max. The number maximum of element is max, and the top equal -1 because in this point the array has no element, so the top equal -1. The first the first operation of the stack is empty. As likely similar to the queue, the operation is empty is used to check if the stack is empty or not. Public boolean is empty. With the array, you now can easily to access the stack to be to be the initial state by the return the top minus top equal -1. Convert to the boolean as I forgot the one equal. The second operation is a push. This is the push operation is similar to the NQ operation of the queue. It's used to add a it's used to add a new element to the stack, and the element needs to add to the top of the array. Public void puts string s. When the push you when the push you can't by this because I use the array to implement the stack, so if the array is full you can push any the element to this array, so you need to check the array is full or not. If is empty empty no it, equal full or not, so you can check if top equal max -1 because the um, because the array we count from 0, so the index of the last index of the max the last index of the array is max -1. You must to print. The stack is full. Cannot push and you return. In the normal case, you can push an element to the array by using the array task plus top array in the index plus top equal x. So the third operation um, is the pop. This pop operation is similar to the dequeue operation of queue. Public public string pop when similar the enqueue operation, you can you cannot you can pop element with you can pop you can pop element from the empty stack, so you need to check if the stack is empty or not. If it's empty, throw new exceptions. Cannot pop from an empty stack. Because he is an exception, so you need to throw the element with the exception. And in normal case, you need to string x equal array top array in the index top, and you return. You need to minus top one and you return x. You have finished create the stack queue, and so you need to do the system. First, you need to create the menu of system. In In the class, you have a true object is a stack. The first object is the process stack. Stack belong to class stack. New stack and class Q transfer Q equal new Q. I must to create stack. Oh, so don't I need to put it on the message. Delete, cut, paste. Yes. Yeah. With this process stack, I need to create the max of element is a 1000 element. This is a big number, the large number. The first I need to create the menu of system public voice menu. I need a string choice. Is a menu I have three choice. The first choice is true on the transferring process. The second choice is through the processing process, and the third choice is access to the system. Why? Why choice? Try why try not equal? No. I will I will to make menu always appear until the user types um, choice 0 to exit the system. Scanner S equal new scanner system dot in and you need import it. Agree. Once the first one is transferring, the first one is transfer message. Second one is process message. And the zeros case zeros axis zero choice choice equal essay dot next line. And I use squid K to choice. Squid choice. Case 1. Transfer method. Case 1 to through the transfer method. Case true case true to through the process method. 0 to assist break, and then I have default default is if you type any item any item different with the choice on the menu, I will show the message. Please enter the number being in the menu. And this is then I need to create the transfer method and process method. Public. No, this is private. Private void transfer. I need to the a new object, a scanner, glass scanner is equal new scanner. System dot in. Transferring process. Now, easy true了。Yes. I need to create a variable is string message. I must show the I must require the user to type type user message to transfer. Please and draw message. H message. Here is message is in one line. Please Enter please type finish. If you have already enter a message, yeah. Since I need to quite do, I will do it. I need to quite do message equal essay dot next line. If the message is the message not equal finish, not equal finish, and if the message start left smaller and equal 2050 character, because this message the maximum character of this message of a message is 1050. I need to transfer. I need to if the message is valid, I need to enqueue it to the queue. Transfer dot transfer queue dot enqueue message else. Else message is invalid. I need to show it to the user. Message is too long. Please enter a message with no more no message with no more than 1050 character. Again, and I will do this until I read the fin until I read the finish. Why? This is dot equal finish. Then I need to um then I need to um DQ. I need to transfer it by DQX message from the queue to push it on the stack. So why the uh, transfer queue dot is empty, not empty. To try to string x equal transfer per q dot dq and process stack dot and push x. This is a exception, so I'm to the with shortcut. Yeah, and then I I need to announcement with the user. This message is processing is being processing. SROT. The message is processed is being processed. Oh no, this is transfer. Sorry, transfer. And I have a empty line to make it uh, easy to see. Yes. The next is the process method. The process method in the process method, I need to pop on the message have in the stack and announce to the user that this message is being processed. Um, in the process, in the process, in the process, if in the process method, user can pop with the empty stack. So the first I will check is check if if there is any the message uh, in the stack or not. If process stack dot is empty, there is no message to process. Else. Why? Why process stack is not empty? I must pop it. Message. Process stack dot pop is being processed. This is need to check, and I create a line, empty line, to make it easier to see. Now I will run this system to the user can use how to use it. Just message message s equal new message, and mess dot menu. Then I will run it and try to on stay it have it can it is available to have this run file. The first you can see the menu of a system. Please enter your choice, and I enter the one. Is that it through the transferring methods. In the transferring, it shows the please enter your message. The message. Each message is one line. Please type in it if you have already entered a message. I will enter two messages. Is the first is hello, hello, enter. The second is okay. Yes. When I enter on message, I need to type the finish and enter. Yes, you can see that it shows that the message hello is being transferred. Message arm3 is being transferred, and it will through will back to the menu to the I can choice. I choose the case true to process to through the process message. In the process, you can see in the processing message arm3 is being processed, and message hello is being processed. In the stack, the last message is put slash message is added into the stack will be the first the will be the will be the first pop from to the stack arm3 and arm3. Then I put in the case zeros. No, I put anything different with the number in the menu, and it shows Please enter the number being in the menu. And I push through it can so there is no message to process because I didn't because I haven't transferred any message to the stack, and I will enter one I will enter the message um the invalid message with the more than the 250 character. That's it. Yeah. And message is too long. Please enter a message with no more than uh, again. Then I'm done it. I'm I put a message. Um, mm, this is one cat and finish. This is a valid message and I finish. Yes, message on case is being transferred. Then to I need to zero. Try. Yeah, I will access the system. Then I will run file. True. Yes, when I access the system, there is no message to process. Sometimes I see some mistake, so I will fix it. The first is there is no, and the second is the VA is transfer. Now I have this one. Yes, this is on my my system to store and transfer the message to the backend side from the backend side to the front end side. Um, this is a simple message. This is a simple system. Yes, and goodbye.